1, 2. WildSteer, weirdest knife ever made. Let's see what it's all about. So there's little instructions right here, because look at that knife. So there is a pulley and there is a pulley over here. So this is how you open it. Pull it over here and finish it like that with the second finger. Sounds like a little bit of a pain to do it, but let's try it. So pull it. We're done right here. Now cannot pull it anymore. Now just finish it off right here. Boom. And you got yourself a knife. Because you can hold it like that. Not the most comfortable knife. Oh, there you go, it's locked in. So there's a lock in the back over here. But yeah, this kind of funky knife over here. Ah, my finger got stuck. A hollow blade over here. Pretty thick. It's not sharp on this end, just a little bit. It is sharp edge. But yeah, how do we close this? Just pull right here and just close it in. There's some markings on it. WildSteer 3C window breaker. You see it? Quite unique. There's a clip, pretty tight. Can I pull it just to here? I don't think so. Can I pull it just to here? Maybe. Yeah, there you go. So there's a 3 ways to open it. There's 3 different pulleys. Let's close it one more time. You see, you can pull it over here and then finish it like that. Just gotta pull it all the way till it locks in. There you go. Or let's close it. It's quite tight. You can pull it from here. You see that little notch all the way over. Probably not gonna be able to do this because this will hit my finger. So it's just way too uncomfortable. You just pull it like this and pull it one more time. I think this is the most comfortable way to do it. Let's see if there's more instructions on different ways to open it. Yep. So you can pointy finger and finish it with the pointy finger. You see it? Or you can go like that. That is so weird. I've never seen a locking mechanism like that before. Oh look, it's also left-handed as well. So yeah, open it, and my left hand don't want to work that well, and open it. So complete mirror. Probably this is definitely the easiest way to open it right here, as you can see. 1, 2. Maybe I can do it a little bit faster. 1, 2. That is so weird. Okay, or you can go 1, 2, and it doesn't lock in all the way. 3. I guess you could lock it in once it's smoothed out a little bit. There you go, it locked in all the way. Definitely 2 hands to close it. Let's see, left hand, open it all the way. No, this thing right here just in the way. Whenever I try to pull it from here too, I don't think it's gonna be that comfortable. It's just such a long pull. Yeah, I think the easiest way to open it, 1, 2. That is just so unique. And with this one, I would have to practice. Definitely a lot harder. So awesome. Left-handed and right-handed knife by WildSteer. Again, 1, 2, locked in all the way. But my favorite way to open it, 1, 2. It's just so slow, but so unique. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? One of the weirdest opener I ever seen. 1, 2, 3 different little finger grabbers. Oh yeah, there's some art over here too. It's a dragon. Beautiful.